आज हम कंपैरिजन पढ़ेंगे रस्ट्रॉक्स, एनाकार्डियम, ब्राइनिया, अर्निका एंड रोडोडेंड्रॉन। तो फर्स्ट है फियर, एप्रीहेंशन, एंजाइटी। Apprehension with tremulousness aggravate at night, cannot remain in bed. Anxiety and timidity aggravate at twilight. Fear, great that he will die of sad thoughts. She cannot get rid of being poisoned, effects of fright. Anacardium, anxiety, evenings about every trifle, as if pursued with suspicion of everything around him, driving him out of bed with bobbling sense. In epigastrium and frigidity legs, anxious sections imagines he is surrounded by enemies. Apprehension, everything's about his destiny, of the future, of death. Internal anxiety, fear that he is pursued of approaching death, that he will be paralyzed. Effects of fright, rhinia. Apprehension, dread and uneasiness on account of the future. Anxiety and restlessness aggravate in room, ameliorate in open air, in whole body, compels him to constant activity. He finds no rest anywhere about the future, especially in child, bed and after that he will have no means to live. Inclined to fright, fear and vexation, anxious, peevish and hasty. Anxious feelings refers to sternum or cardiac reasons, fear of death and believes it near. For his security, Annika, easily frightened, unexpected trifles cause him to start. Effects of being startled, chronic HA, etc. Excitable and timid, fear of being touched or struck by someone approaching, horror of instant death, and violent anguish in cardiac distress. Rhododendron, dread of storm, especially thunderstorm in nervous people. Second है depression, sadness and melancholy का, तो रस्ट्रॉक्स, discouraged, dissatisfied with the world, great despondency with prostration, disgust of life, melancholia as if misfortune would occur, as if she were alone and all about her were dead, as if she had committed a crime, always depressed, sadness and weeping without knowing why. Anacardium, melancholy with illusions of fancy and apprehension, despair of being able to do what is required of him, because he feels himself separated from the whole world. Discouragement, hypochondriacal sadness and melancholic ideas. Despondency, profound melancholy associated with complete loss of memory, sadness in forenoon with awkwardness and indolence. Brainia, great despondency, disinclination to think, exhausted mental powers, dejection, discouragement, despair of recovery, depression, great with morose mood, contrary to his habit, usually related to his future security and welfare. Frequent tears. Arnica, hopelessness, despondency, conviction of approaching death, hypochondriacal anxiety and peevishness, depression of spirits. Rhododendron, somber morose humor. इसके बाद है थर्ड, सस्पिशन, मिसट्रस्ट. Distrustful, does not want to be looked at, claims people are looking at her. ये रस्ट्रॉक्स है. नेक्स्ट है एनाकार्डियम, सस्पिशियस ऑफ एवरीथिंग अराउंड हिम. एंथ्रोफोबिया, मिसट्रस्ट एवरीवन एंड टेक्स इंसल्ट्स व्हेन नन आर इंटेंडेड. इसमें ब्राइनिया, आर्निका, रोडोडेंड्रॉन में कुछ नहीं है. नेक्स्ट है इरिटेबिलिटी, एंगर, एक्साइटमेंट. रस्ट्रॉक्स, impatience and vexation at trifles, in general disposed to criticize and find fault, fretful, general unhappiness of temper, intolerance of being talked to. Anacardium, excessively peevish and ill-humored, especially children with whooping cough, extreme irritability, irritable, passionate and contradictory, disposition to take everything amiss, to contradict, to fly into a rage. Slight offense makes him excessively angry, excited mood, furious, has to be restrained, malicious, wicked and cruel. Brainia. Chilliness after anger with red face and heat in head. Bad effects of mortification, anger, charge in violence, ill humor, troubled with needless anxiety, morose, everything puts him out of humor. Very irritable, inclined to anger, provoked by contradiction, obstinate, passionate, peevish, violent, hasty, irritable, weeping, and morose, desire to be alone. Arnika. Naturally cheerful, kindly and genial mood becomes downcast. Worshipping and peevish, oversensitive mood, peevish, quarrelsome, irritable mind, very susceptible to every mental excitement, shedding of tears and एक्सक्लेमेशंस ऑफ रेज. रोडोडेंड्रन में इसमें कुछ नहीं दिया है. आगे बढ़ते हैं तो नेक्स्ट है इंडिफरेंस एंड एपैथी. रस्ट्रॉक्स स्पीक्स बट लिटिल. एनाकार्डियम imbecility, does not think at all, becomes dull and apathetic, indifferent to husband and child, caresses them, then pushes them away in belief they are not hers. ब्राइनिया में कुछ नहीं है. आर्निका indifferent to everything, morose and hopeless, or oversensitive to every mental impression. Rhododendron excessive indifference. मेंशन नहीं किया यहाँ पे कुछ भी स्पेसिफिक. नेक्स्ट है इंडोलेंस और एक्टिविटी. इंडोलेंस फॉर मेंटल लेबर, आइडियाज कम स्लो, ही सीम्स टू बी थिंकिंग बट थॉट्स डू नॉट मटेरियलाइज. एनाकार्डियम ड्रीमी स्टेट, डे and night, without sleep, cannot be persuaded to do anything, stupidity, labor difficult. Rainia restlessness with fear of the future or impending death, he finds no rest anywhere because of his anxiety, hastiness, aversion to conversation. Arnika excessive inclination to hard and long literary labor or indisposition to think, does not speak, declines to answer, dislike sympathy, restlessness in affected parts, keeps them constantly in motion. Rhododendron dread of all kinds of labor. तो जो नेक्स्ट है वो है अदर मेंटल्स. रस्ट्रॉक्स में है कैन नॉट फ्री हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम सैड एंड डिसएग्रीएबल थॉट्स. एनाकार्डियम कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन बिटवीन रीजन्स एंड विल, सेंस ऑफ डुअल पर्सनैलिटी, फील्स एज इफ हिज स्पिरिट वर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द बॉडी, irresistible desire to swear and blaspheme in restrained persons, laughs at serious things and maintains serious demur at ludicrous, want of moral sentiment, cruelty, impiety, hardness of heart, wickedness, awkward, silly manners, talks constantly in silly phrases, continually talking twaddle. ब्राइनिया में यहाँ पे है desire for things which are rejected when obtained. आर्निका में है excessively sensitive mind to agreeable or disagreeable emotions without weakness or excessive sensitiveness of body. Raving madness where patient is conscious of his condition, mental emotions or sudden shock bring on chronic HA. Since there is nothing the matter with him, opinionated, foolish, gaiety, लेबिटी, मिस्चीवियसनेस. रोडोडेंड्रॉन में यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं दिया है. नेक्स्ट आते हैं. नेक्स्ट जो सिम्टम है वो है डिल्यूजन्स एंड इमेजिनेशंस. रस्ट्रॉक्स में क्या दिया है आइए देखते हैं. इमेजिन्स पीपल आर फाइंडिंग फॉल्ट विद हर इन डिलीरियम दैट ही इज रोमिंग द फील्ड्स और इज हार्ड एट वर्क, इल्यूजन्स ऑफ फैंसी विजन्स. Enacardium everything seems a dream, fixed ideas about the redemption of the soul, about the devil, that mind and body are separated, believes that a devil sits on one shoulder and angel on the other, each directing to opposite purpose, as if he had two wills, one will commands that the other forbids. A devil sits on his neck telling him offensive things, hears voices, delirium superficial, the subconscious asserts itself intermittently. Brainia in delirium continues to transact business of the day, sees visions and faces on closing eyes, patient desire to get out of bed and go home fancies. Arnika Thoughts wander from objects and dwells on images and fancies. Low muttering delirium says there is nothing wrong with him. Delirium tremens. Rhododendron, frightful visions delirium.